It's been a while since I made an video. And I decided to make an video. So here Bloxd Cat, it's finally back. I decided to make an break, but it was too long break. And also I'm working on an game mode called Bloxd Cat. It's in racing game mode. But soon we gonna talk about respect of this.